Recently, a screenshot of some email correspondence between IRCC officials was shared by a very good colleague and very good friend, Mandeep Lidhar, online, and that has created some panic. So provide some context and give you some background on this. This screenshot that is being discussed is actually from January 2024, and that has been obtained through the ATIP notes. And this is discussing the ongoing issue between applicants submitting their applications as spouse, not accompanying, in order to gain that additional CRS score that they would have gained had they submitted their applications as a single, or if they were a single applicant. And IRCC is aware of it, and this has come up in various communications, various correspondence with IRCC as well. And again, on the screenshot, it is being seen that IRCC is discussing the same matter, that they are aware that this issue has caused unintended consequences because individuals who are married are now choosing spouse as not accompanying so that they can give additional points, and then later on they will sponsor their spouses for permanent residence under the family reunification, family class, or spouse and common law partners in Canada. And then the next point in this screenshot says that as a result, the CRS review has taken careful consideration of the spousal points and is recommending their removal. A more detailed deck with CRS recommendations will come to you in the coming weeks for further review. This obviously is being sent to somebody who's senior in the hierarchy of IRCC, and it is being provided as a recommendation to remove the spouse points. Now, to be very honest, if they do remove the spouse points, then the married couples would have 40 points less than the single applicants, which would pretty much be unfair in the whole scenario. So while this screenshot should be taken with a pinch of salt, because this is from January 2024. It's been more than a year and a half. Nothing has actually happened. But at the same point of time, you should also know that this is incomplete information. You don't really know what is being proposed. You don't really know what else IRCC is thinking about. And if they're going to remove the spouse points, then are they going to upgrade the points for married individuals just like a single applicant? Therefore, there is no motive for any married couple or common law partners to show their spouse as not accompanied to gain this advantage. I guess that is what is being intended over here. But again, before we start panicking and thinking points are being removed, or start thinking and panicking that big changes are coming or with the CRS points as of right now, all we can say is that IRCC is aware. They are rethinking the strategy. Express entry point system is due for an overhaul for a very long time, but there is nothing in the pipeline yet. There is nothing that we know of that is happening for sure. And until such concrete information is available, we should avoid speculating on these matters, because this really causes a widespread panic. I hope I was able to provide you clarity on this matter today.